Hey CBE lovers, today I'll be showing you how to style our two-piece Naya dress. I'll be showing you how to style it in different outfits. So it is true, you would know that it's not only with the skirt that you can style it, you can style this the top that you can style a different way. So I'll be showing you how to style this two-piece Naya set. This actually comes with a skirt. It comes with a long skirt. Looks like a stylish madam dress, but I can teach you how to style it in two different ways apart from the skirt. So let's get into the video. Yes. So it comes with this rope. There's a rope inside that you can use to tie it. You see, there's a two rope inside that you can use to tie it to the back. You can see how I'm doing it. I will just tie it so that you see it. But you can also loosen the rope if you don't want the rope. Look at the dress with the skirt. And you see how luxury it looks. So you see how luxury it looks. This is how it is. So if you don't want the rope, like you just want the dress to be free, or if you want this other pattern, I'm going to show you how you can do it without the rope showing. So if I'm losing the rope now, it's showing. But if you don't want it to show, just take the rope and put it inside your skirt. Put it inside your skirt so that it will not be visible. As you can see how I'm doing it. Can you see? Now put the rope inside my skirt. You can no longer see the rope outside. So you can just rock it also like this. You want to wear it like this, you can also wear it like this. But you want to tie the rope, you tie. So I'm going to pair it with my black purse. I'll be pairing it with my black purse, and also I'm coming, let me show you. Also with a black shoes, and also with a strong plastic. This is how the rocking the first look as the madam that I am, the rich Odogun white that I am. So I'm going to be rocking it like this with a skirt. Or if I would decide to tie it, I'll just take the rope out and I will tie it. Just take a look at it. So I'll be teaching you again the second way to style. This is the second way I'm actually styling it. I'm wearing a jean trouser with the top. Wearing a jean trouser with the top. So I like to do this with my own with the trouser. I just want to tuck in one part inside the trouser so that it will give you that fitting that you need. Also going to pair it with my black shoe, my black bag, and my sunglasses of course to give me that stick look. You see, it doesn't just give you that vibe, it doesn't just give you that madam Odogun, it gives you that luxury big vibe. So I'll just like this is the second way to style the two-piece top. You can also decide to loosen the rope at the back and put it inside your jeans too. The way I taught you the first time. Just put it inside your jeans and it looks like this. You can also rock it like this. You get you get. So let me hear you the first way to style this. this is actually the third, the third way for you to style this dress. You see how cheap making it look. I'm styling it with the black pants this time. I'm just trying to do something with the front so that my like this thing, like I can just actually do it the way I did with the jeans. The jeans. As you can see, I don't know if you are seeing, I don't know if you can see the pants very well. To see how it complements. Let me just put my glasses on. Check it. So this is how it looks with the black pants. See how it complements the dress. If you want to be that more corporate girly, you can actually wear it with the black pants. See how beautiful it looks. I can't say I don't want to hide this point too much. You are seeing the visual, you can see how beautiful every piece that I put on it looks like. I'm wearing the black pants. Slowly continue the champagne lace on it. See how beautiful it is. So this is the last way put on to wear this top. Take a look at it. This is so cheap. I'm wearing this shirt jeans. I don't know what people call this jeans. I know it has a name, but I don't know what it's called. If you know what it's called, please just let me in the comment section. So I'm wearing it on this. I've been working it with my sunglasses, of course. Sunglasses just complement everything on this look. I'll be wearing my black wig. I think black wig just makes it look more mature. Like you can't go with any other color. You can actually rock any other color, but I think I prefer a black wig and this black. You see how it is so beautiful. Like this is so cheap. Let me give you 360. Oh, I hope explain all the ways I'm teaching you how to put this dress on. So this is how it looks. Everything is beautiful. So don't forget to shop this dress on our page. Or you can send us a message on WhatsApp. I'll be putting it on my bio. My bio has my WhatsApp number, so you just text it on WhatsApp. Or you can actually message us on TikTok anywhere you see.